Hi, welcome back to the section regarding user management in Salesforce.com. As an administrator, we are responsible for ensuring that all our users have the correct permissions to access both data and functionality. To do this, we can use profiles, wherein we can assign permissions to different users to either restrict or permit them to data and functionality within the system. For our company, Mojo Electronics, we are hoping to create a different set of privileges for users under the international sales team. So in our example, Mojo Electronics would like to create a profile for all international salespersons. This profile will give them access to the Salesforce API so that they can access Salesforce in their mobile devices and other applications as well. It also needs to be able to create email templates and letterheads. Additionally, it will allow them to have passwords that never expire on the system. So on the data side of things, we would want them to have full create, read, update, and delete access to the following sales-related objects. Objects like accounts, assets, contracts, leads, and opportunities. Additionally, it would allow them to have read and update access to price books and products. So to start off, let's just go to our profile management screen. Let's just click on Manage Users in the Setup menu. Click on Profiles. So on the profile management screen, we are able to see all of the available profiles in the system. So for now, let's just click on New Profile to create our profile. On the next screen, you will be prompted to select an existing profile from which you would want to clone the new profile and act as a template. So let's select Custom Sales Profile and enter our profile name, International Sales. So next, we will further refine this profile. Let's just click on the Edit button to do that. Next, we'll be indicating the app settings for our profile. So just by the way, apps are basically a grouping of visible tabs on the system. So the process of creating and managing these custom tabs will be discussed later. So first off, let's select Sales as visible, as well as our default app upon login. Next, we'll be discussing the tab settings for our profile. So let's select the available tabs as default on for our profile. Dashboards, Reports, Documents, Opportunities, Leads, and Contacts, as well as Accounts. So basically, we have three values here. Default on indicates that the app is available readily from the tab bar. Default off means that the tab is hidden, but is available through the extended menu and by pressing the plus button on the tab bar. And tab hidden means that the tab is hidden from this profile entirely. So let's just move over to the administrative permissions. For our profile, we want to give the users of our profile the access to API, which would allow them to have access to mobile devices and other tools as well. So let's just click on API Enabled. Next, we'll be clicking on Edit HTML Templates to allow them email template management capability, as well as manage letterheads. And then finally, we would click on Password Never Expires so that all of the users will not have to reset or set a new password after 30 days. Next, let's just go to the object level permissions. So for our profile, since all of our members are in the sales department of our company, we would want to give them full access to the sales-related objects. So first off, we'll give them full access to accounts. Full access being read, create, edit, and delete access. Next, we'll be giving them full access and contact. Next, we'll be giving them full access to contracts as well as leads, opportunities, and give them read and update access to price books and products. So after our object level permissions, we can now save our profile. So after setting our permissions for our profile, profiles can only be individually assigned to each user or assigned upon creation of that new user. So in our example, we will be assigning the international sales profile to our previously created user, Mike Murphy. So let's just go to Users and navigate to our user, Mike Murphy. So you can use the user list view to filter to the particular set of users that you want to change. So let's just click on Mike Murphy. Let's just click on Edit to edit our user. On the profile, we would want to select international sales. So for our role, we would want to change it to international sales as well. And hit on Save to finalize our changes. So that's it. That's all there is to it. We have successfully created our profile, assigned feature-based permissions, and then assigned object level or data permissions to the profile. So finally, we have also taught you how to modify an existing user and assign it to a new profile as well. So on the next video, we will be discussing role hierarchies and how we can set them up for any organization in Salesforce.